see also. And if you facing problem, and if you मतलब आपने कुछ कर लिया है और आपका सेटअप नहीं हो रहा अच्छे से, if you are facing any problems in the issue, you can refer these points. First one, you have to आप मतलब उस 3 दिन सेशन होगा issue connect session, you can watch this also. You can helpline ticket raise also. Anurag and welcome to Geeks 2.0. So today's video is very special because in this video we are going to discuss about how you set up your MacBook. First time if you receive the MacBook from the Wipro, so how you gonna set up, and if you are facing any problems, so what are the documents you have to refer, and how you can solve your queries if you having any queries related to Wipro. And before starting our videos, please like this video, subscribe our channel and share, and noted down some key points, these key points which help me out for making this video. So when you received your MacBook, so at that time with the MacBook you receive some document also. In that document there are some there is a one single page. In single page there is a mention as something, a tiny URL. I will put it down here. In tiny URL, when you can go through this URL, you can find that a single video. In that video they will give you a setup whole setup video, how you gonna set up your MacBook. I will recommend you to watch this video, because I am watching this video. I just successfully set up my MacBook. Because when you are setting with a Autopilot laptop, so Autopilot laptop wants a very good bandwidth. Basically अब mostly people confuse हो गए होंगे कि भैया Autopilot laptop क्या है. Basically Autopilot is nothing. When you received something laptop from the company, there are two types of laptop. First one is a domain laptop and second one is a Autopilot laptop. So basically both are the different types. We're gonna discuss about different video from the laptop from the Wipro company. So mostly they are Autopilot laptop. So Autopilot laptop basically needs a very good internet connection, very good bandwidth, and when you have if you do not have a Wi-Fi connection, so please I will recommend you to woke up in at the 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. So when you have a good internet connection. Basically I will give you my personal experience. I do not have a Wi-Fi connection at that time, so I already know that if I am going to do at the morning, at the afternoon, at the evening time with my setting up MacBook, they will definitely create an issue with me. So at the 3 a.m. I just put it out the alarm and I just woke up and set up my laptop. So at that time there is a good bandwidth. Basically होता क्या है कि in autopilot mode there is they want some bandwidth. And bandwidth means कि आपका एक high bandwidth होना चाहिए, आपका एक fixed bandwidth होना चाहिए. क्या रात के टाइम पे आपका बैंडविड्थ फिक्स होता है, उतने लिमिट पे होता है. जैसे मान के चाहिए मैकबुक को अपने सेटअप लेने में 101 की बैंडविड्थ चाहिए, पर अगर दिन में वो बैंडविड्थ 85 के नीचे चली गई, 75 के, क्योंकि कनेक्शन वेरी होता है एट द टाइम ऑफ द मॉर्निंग, इवनिंग एंड आफ्टरनून एज वेल. सो एट द टाइम ऑफ नाइट बेसिकली मोस्टली चांसेस नहीं होते हैं कि आपका बैंडविड्थ उस टारगेटेड पॉइंट से नीचे जाए, क्योंकि जब वो बैंडविड्थ ऑटोपायलट लैपटॉप में टारगेटेड पॉइंट से नीचे चला जाता है तो दे आर नॉट एनेबल टू इंस्टॉल ऑल पर्टिकुलर सॉफ्टवेयर और ऑल नेसेसरी सॉफ्टवेयर. तो एट दैट टाइम दे विल क्रिएट अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर यू ऑल्सो. सो आई जस्ट नो ऑलरेडी, मुझे पहले ही पता था, इसलिए मैंने 3 बजे ही उठ के अपना काम किया, बिकॉज आई डू नॉट हैव ए वाईफाई कनेक्शन एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड. सो यूजिंग दिस हॉटस्पॉट आई जस्ट वोक अप एट 3 AM एंड आई जस्ट इंस्टॉल. सो जब मैं 3 बजे उठ के जब मैंने वो काम किया तो मेरा एक बार में मैकबुक इंस्टॉल हो गया. एंड यूजिंग दिस tiny URL you can see that the tiny URL, you can DM me on Insta, I will give you a link also. You can just install your software. Let's discuss about what are the person facing with this issue. They will conduct 2 sessions. At that before previous video I just already told, if you are facing at my setup in MacBook, so they will conduct 2 days issue session. In that session you can share your screen, you can log in with your camera mobile and open your camera and just showcase him or her. They will solve your issues. So there is a plus point. First you have to attend that session, the second and third and fourth day session. In that you can solve your MacBook issue. And second one, you have a helpline ticket. In that helpline ticket, in your my Wipro portal, there is a my access raise that helpline ticket also. Using this helpline ticket they will reach out to you and solve their issues. And basically in that helpline ticket you just simply write, you have to write what are the problems you have to facing while setting your MacBook. So this is the second point you have to take care if you are facing any any issue. And third thing, you can use a toll free number, Wipro toll free number. They in that document also, I am talked about previous in this earlier कि भाई आपको जब document मिलेगा, एक single page मिलेगा आपके MacBook के साथ, उसमें tiny URL, and they will just also give you some toll free number. And using this toll free number you just call them at any time, means any time not any time, कभी भी रात में मत कर देना भाई, सिर्फ ये कि ऑफिस टाइम में उन्हें फोन करिए, and वो using this helpline number you can resolve your MacBook issue or setting issue with easily. So this is the third point. And fourth point, you can also refer a troubleshooting PDF in Mac and troubleshooting in Mac PDF. You have found that mostly asked problem and mostly faced problem by the students, by the freshers. So at all the situation there will be given a in this PDF and with solution, so you can refer that PDF also. This is the fourth point. So basically before setuping you just watch this video. So I will recommend you to please using your Wi-Fi connection you can set up a MacBook, and using this video also I will put a URL, you can see also. And if you facing problem, and if you मतलब आपने कुछ कर लिया है और आपका सेटअप नहीं हो रहा अच्छे से, and if you are facing any problems in the issue, you can refer these point. First one, you have to आप मतलब उस 3 दिन सेशन होगा इशू कनेक्ट सेशन, यू कैन वॉच दिस ऑल्सो, यू कैन हेल्पलाइन टिकट रेज ऑल्सो, कैन रेज हेल्पलाइन टिकट ऑल्सो, you can reach out with a toll free Wipro toll free number also, you can watch this troubleshooting in Mac PDF also. So this is all about how you're gonna set up your MacBook, and I hope everyone clear with this. And if you are facing any issues and any queries, please feel free to comment it out down. I will definitely give you a reply for your comment. And if you are having if you want to any link or any PDF, you can DM me on Insta and follow me on Insta. My Insta ID is mentioned on the description. So that's all from my side. And my first week of joining at the Wipro is available on this channel. And after this video I will just record the emerge session at the conduct at the first day at Wipro also, how you're gonna handle with this emerge session. So that's all from my side. And please like this video and subscribe our channel and share with your Wipro's light friends.